Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming crypto bounce. We believe a crypto bounce is coming. What do you think, Jobo?
Yeah, man. Look, I'm seeing more and more evidence that we probably have a local bottom on Bitcoin, and from here we might get some sort of a bounce. You can call it a dead cat bounce if you want, or just a relief rally. Doesn't really matter the name. What we are seeing is that there is a compiling evidence that a local bottom is in, not a Hail Mary bottom is in. Okay, we don't know that. We know potentially a local bottom is in. And once you have a Bitcoin local bottom in, okay, and you can get somewhat of a sideways on Bitcoin or even a bounce, as we're saying on Bitcoin, altcoins can recover and some of them can actually make tradable moves, right? Tradable move for me is anywhere between 30, 60, and 100 and a bit more percent in a very short time frame. I'm seeing the evidence. CM, allow me to show the chart a little bit. I'm going to talk about this, a few coins, and I'm going to give it back to you. This is Bitcoin. As you can see, one of the things I'm seeing over here is some sort of a character change. Now, we're still within the channel, okay? And I know that as long as we're within the channel, we can go back down. We can actually get rejected today and tomorrow, and that's still a possibility, okay? But I'm seeing somewhat I'm smelling it a little bit, right, CM? That there is some sort of a character change here that Bitcoin might want to go above this, small high and potentially break sideways or up and sideways from this channel. Now, if I'm looking at ETH, for example, it's making the same kind of thing, right? Prior to that, every kind of bounce was met with a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now we're creating somewhat of a new high. Now, is this a significant high? No. Okay, this is not a significant high. It's just telling me that from a trading perspective, right? Not from a longer term investment right now, at least from a trading perspective, that there is a heightened probability, okay, we might get a relief rally. Even Casper over here, above the 8.3 cents might give you somewhat of a move. Okay, how big of a move, I don't know. Solana kind of same thing. You can see it already broke from this kind of horizontal support area of 137. All this and more altcoins, shitter altcoins that I'm looking at that are bouncing from the bottom are giving me the sense that we were oversold. Everyone that wanted to sell, altcoins and probably Bitcoin already sold it, at least for now. Okay, and and right now people are covering their shorts, buying the bottom, at least trying to pick the turn, right? And if we get that tailwind and backwind from Bitcoin moving sideways or at least up, one of those two, this is what we traders are waiting for a potential tradable environment to the upside. That's what my thoughts are. That's what the clues I'm seeing are saying. Okay, but again, people need to be careful because this is not the Hail Mary, buy everything right now because we're having a catalyst and we're having beautiful setups. It's just an observation we're seeing. What do you think, Sam?
Yeah, man, I'm with you. I'm with you, man. I'm with you on that. I think we're gonna have a bounce, and maybe even a crypto rally to new all-time high for Bitcoin. Just gonna show you my Bitcoin chart and my
There's it potentially, yeah, man.
gonna show you my Bitcoin chart and my mega bullish CM. Let me show you, man.
Yeah, mega bullish
The bull,
CM.
the CM, the bullish CM is
CM the
back.
bull.
Okay. Now, this could be, man. This could be your channel can be actually, like a bull flag.
Yeah.
It could be a bull flag of that move. Okay,
Yep.
and then we can have a situation where that move, for a second, will, if we're lucky, and Mr. Sailor will pump it, a move to around, the 140, 130, 140, 130K. Who knows? I don't really care about the actual price it will top out. All I care is about the move of Bitcoin, if it will start a rally, whatever, if it's going to be a new high or to test the high, it doesn't matter. This will be a window of opportunity for us to search for altcoin trades. And we already have some few altcoin trades that are working, that are pumping and going higher and making us money on the long side. And we're also looking for more of these altcoins that will set up in the next couple of days, probably, if Bitcoin will continue. So definitely, I'm smelling what you smelling. And I think we are super oversold. The path of least resistance is up. Not sure how much up, but
Exactly.
up. So on the up window, let's call it the up window, this is the time for people to make money trading crypto, and look for setups. Okay, now if you trade crypto, guys, by the way, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. If you have some capital to trade, join our community, because we are trading crypto. We are trading crypto. We traded crypto to the short side in February, made very nice money. Now it looks like we're gonna start trading to the long side and make very nice money. So if you want to come and trade with us, get all the trade alerts, market updates, AMAs, the courses, join our VIP community down below. And Jobo, you want to say anything else?
No, man, I think, look, we are traders. We are trading the market up or down. It doesn't matter. When the market goes down, we short it, we make money. When the market goes up, we long it and we make money. We rely on our statistics. We rely on our edges. We don't rely on hope. If you relied on hope in your journey as a investor or whatever you want to call it, right? Because you were just in for the hopium, but you understand that that's not a strategy. Relying on luck, it's not a strategy, and you want real professionals to take you hand by hand, do the heavy lifting for you. We find the opportunities. We will tell you when the winds are shifting bullish or bearish, when to be long, when to be short, and when to be in cash. Okay, because cash is a beautiful position. We teach people, don't appreciate how beautiful of a position is just being in cash, waiting for the right moment, just like a sniper, just like a cheetah. You don't need to be all the time, after the play. You need to be waiting, calm and collected. And once a trade comes, boom, you're in it. You have all your mental capital, you have all your capital, and you'll build your P&L curve upwards and upwards, staircasing it up and up and up. That's how you should build your wealth. That's how you should build your P&L curve. And we teach you how to do all this and more. So, hey, you have 20% off for March. If you're viewing this, take advantage of this. Of course, our memberships, trades, opportunities, and coaching as well. And don't miss out on our Conquer the Bear, you can scan the QR code in the upper left side. We teach you how to win a bear market, not only survive, but how to win in a bear market, how to short, how to hedge your position, and most importantly, how to risk control. Join us. Stop being on the sidelines, okay, and join us now. Subscribe, like, comment below. What do you think about this upcoming rally? Do you think it's a real or a fake out? CM, until next time, no edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.